You are standing in front of your bathroom mirror with a gap in your smile and a tiny bag of white plastic beads that promise to change your life for less than the price of a pizza. It sounds like a dream to just skip the $1,000 dentist bill and fix your own mouth with a little hot water and some DIY spirit. But let's get real about what is actually happening when you drop those little pellets into a mug of steaming water. These companies are selling you a thermoplastic material that turns into a clear, gooey blob once it hits a certain temperature. On the screen, the person in the ad makes a perfect blowing tooth in 30 seconds. In your actual kitchen, you are likely wrestling with a hot, sticky mess that cools down way faster than you expect. Once that plastic hits the air, the clock is ticking. You have to jam it into the gap and try to scout something that does not look like a piece of chewed up gum. Most people end up with something bulky and awkward. It rarely matches the shade of your actual teeth. Your real teeth have depth and translucency. This plastic is just flat and opaque. Instead of a natural smile, you get a bright white lump that screams for attention every time you open your mouth. It feels like a heavy foreign object because it is one. There is no professional fitting here. There is no precision. You are basically just wedging a piece of craft store plastic against your gums and hoping for the best. The process sounds simple on paper. You heat water until it is hot but not quite boiling. You drop the beads in and wait for them to turn clear. That is the signal that the plastic is ready to be manipulated. You remove them carefully and let them cool just enough so you do not burn your mouth. Then you try to mold the material into the shape of a tooth. You press it gently into the gap and hold it there until it hardens. It sounds like a fun craft project until you realize this is going in your mouth. Think about the logistics of wearing this thing out in the world. You cannot really eat with it. One bite of a sandwich could send your new DIY tooth flying across the table or even worse, down your throat. It is not strong enough for real chewing. It is not even really strong enough for a heavy conversation without the constant, nagging fear of it slipping out of place. Then there is the hygiene side of the story. Your mouth is a playground for bacteria. If you are wearing the porous, hand-molded piece of plastic all day, it is going to trap food particles and saliva. Without a medical-grade seal, you are looking at a recipe for some truly legendary bad breath and potential gum irritation. The marketing makes this look like a permanent solution for your daily life. They want you to believe it is a legitimate alternative to professional dental work. That is where the red flags start flying high. Real dental work requires x-rays and professional molds. This is just a cosmetic band-aid. It might work for a quick photo or a 5-minute video call. But calling it a replacement for a missing tooth is a massive stretch. It is a temporary trick. If you go into it knowing that, you might not be disappointed. But if you expect to eat a steak and smile with confidence, you are in for a very rude awakening. The savage truth is that your mouth deserves better than a melted bead from a random online warehouse. It is not a total scam because the plastic does technically harden, but the promise of a perfect, natural smile is a total fantasy. You are essentially paying for a piece of costume jewelry for your gums. This is a fleeting fix for a persistent problem. It is basically the dental version of using a piece of tape to fix a broken car engine. It looks okay from a distance if you squint, but it is not going to get you where you need to go. If you are looking for a real solution, this is not it. It is just another viral product that overpromises and underdelivers.